Hey guys, we're here at our Cripple Creek project. I wanted to give you another progress update that's been going on the past few weeks. So the main thing you probably noticed, we've got most of the house framed, which is awesome. The framers have been here. That's a pretty intensive process with the framers every day. The next portion is going to be the roofers are going to come in, get the whole roof waterproofed and dried in so we can start on all of our trades inside the house. The one thing that you notice on this house, you can see underneath where the front door is going to go, the floor truss system. So this house actually called for I-joists, which are like 12 inches tall. And that's what the plan showed on this house. So these are about 16 inches tall. So that changed the elevation of the house a little bit. We had to get with the architect and also the truss manufacturer. We like doing that on this house just because it's going to be a really solid floor system. So I wanted to show you this floor truss system down here. We're down here in the basement. These are 10-foot walls. So if you look up here, this is a truss system in the floor. And the things we like about them is you can run plumbing, HVAC through the system going this way. A lot of times when you run those going against the floor system, you have to come back and frame around them and you have drops in your ceiling, bringing the ceiling down. In this particular space, this whole area is going to be 10-foot walls, nice and wide open. The other thing we like about it is this floor system, you got the kitchen island above you, which is a lot of weight. A lot of times when you do I-joists and you're walking around those areas, you're gonna get vibrations where the floor is gonna shake a little bit. And this is a really solid system, and it also allows us to have really tall ceilings down here in the basement. One of the other things that we did on this house in the past week is we dug out this whole corner. So on a house this size, you're gonna have to have a civil drainage plan showing any retaining walls, where all the water's going on this lot. So it's a pretty large lot. The dirt originally came to it, I kind of sloped down to about right here. And the owners walked it, we had a retaining wall plan, and they said, hey, I think we want to use the most space in this yard that we can. So let's dig out this whole corner and make it a little more usable space. We ended up hauling out about 45 truckloads of dirt. Cost a lot of money to haul out dirt. Looking at the cost, that's going to be between $13,000 and $15,000 for that dirt haul off. But the owners are going to be super happy with the way this yard lays out and having all of this yard space for kicking the ball, hanging out in the yard. That's a quick update here on Cripple Creek. And if you're ready to start your project, go to estateconstruction.com and reach out.